1 sleeve of saltine crackers. All right, we're just gonna slide this over. Gonna slide in our measuring cup, and we're gonna measure out probably 1/4 or 1/3 of olive oil. Look at that. Yum. Everything bagel seasoning. Wait till you see what we're making with these crackers. Maybe I'll just do the dump method here a little more. Perfect. I'm gonna bring in just a tad of Cajun seasoning, just a tad. Just a little spice, just like that. Next, we'll come in with some grated Parmesan cheese. Pour that in there too. Just kind of eyeball it. Well, that looks about good. I'll come in with my trusty fork, and I'm just gonna mix this all together. Wow, look at that. Oh, I can smell it too. It smells so good.
Let me see, look at all those spices inside there.
Look at all the spices.
Wow, that looks really good.
The olive oil. Boom. We're gonna slide back in our crackers. And I'm literally just gonna coat all these crackers with that mixture we just made. We're gonna make our own fire roasted crackers. Like I'm gonna take my clean hands and just kind of get these all coated. You wanna coat all the crackers with that mixture you made.
Oh, let's see.
Look at that.
Oh, I see.
See how it's
all
just
the
sticking right to the
seasoning on
cracker?
there. Oh, those look like they're gonna be super tasty.
And we'll bring in our baking sheet here. And I'm just gonna take those crackers that we coated with all that mixture, and I'm just gonna quickly place them right here on our baking sheet. Okay, just gonna place my last cracker down. Look at that, don't those look good?
Ooh, those look so good.
All coated with the mixture.
Yum.
We're gonna pop these in the oven at 350 for probably 6 to 8 minutes, just so they get kind of nice and roasted, and then we're gonna dig in. Boom, look at those. Our crackers are finally done.
Ooh, they look toasted and full of flavor.
Full of toasted. Look at that, you can see the cheese on there, got them nice and golden brown, the everything bagel seasoning. I mean, look at this. I'm just gonna take this one right here.
Ooh, that looks like a good one.
Yeah, ready? Here we go. That's a good homemade cracker, you guys. I would probably get some cheese and pair this with it, maybe some sliced deli meats. Give it a try, you got your own crackers now. It took us, what, 10 minutes to make this? Anybody can do this. Enjoy.